Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. The recent years of high interest rate proved difficult for companies buying and operating high-cost fixed assets. High financing costs cut into margins and impact profitability. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short, are investment vehicles that have suffered due to risk and uncertainties related to higher interest rates. But after collapsing during the pandemic and the subsequent period of rising interest rates, REITs have rallied from their lows. Take the case of Gladstone Commercial Corporation. They're traded on NASDAQ under symbol GOOD. They're small, 605 million market cap REIT that has rallied over 90% since the pandemic low of $7.59. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Gladstone Commercial is focused on investing in single-tenant net-lease industrial properties nationwide. Most recently, Gladstone Commercial operates a portfolio of 132 industrial and office properties spread across 27 states. The company's client base is pretty broad, comprised of different industries and regions. The occupancy rate, which is hovering at 98.9%, I think, has never fallen below 95% since 2003, which is impressive given the macro environment. Income investors would be happy to hear that GOOD shareholders receive a monthly dividend. Now, as an added bonus, as of this recording, Gladstone Commercial stock traded at a 52-week high of $15.15 on July 31st, but it remains well below its 10-year high of $26.13 per share from January 2022, presents investors with a pretty decent risk-reward opportunity.
This company has been reporting steady revenue and free cash flow.
Yeah, Gladstone Commercial Corporation is all about delivering steady revenue growth and providing income investors with monthly income. The REIT's revenue grew in 4 consecutive years to the record $149 million in 2022, prior to slipping 0.9% in 2023. Now, everything is relative on Wall Street. That moderate slip in 2023 to $147.6 million was still the second highest revenue figure in the company's history. Gladstone Commercial reported revenue growth in 9 straight years prior to 2023, even during the pandemic in 2024. The REIT managed to grow revenue by pretty solid 16.4%. Now, analysts estimate that Gladstone Commercial will report a slight revenue contraction of 2.6% to $143.8 million this year, followed by a 2.2% increase to $147 million in 2025.
And how about the profitability here?
On the bottom line, Gladstone Commercial has failed to generate profits in 4 of the last 5 years, but look for some improvements to come. Analysts expect Gladstone Commercial to return to profitability of 4 cents per diluted share in 2024, and for that to jump to 8 cents per share in 2025. While the company works on its profitability, it has managed to deliver 10 consecutive years of positive free cash flow. Now, that strong free cash flow should allow Gladstone Commercial stock to continue with its regular dividend payments.
Since you mentioned dividends, tell us a little bit more about what's happening with dividends here.
For the income investor seeking monthly income, Gladstone Commercial has paid dividends for 234 straight quarters. It currently pays a monthly dividend of 10 cents per share, or $1.20 on an annual basis, for a current yield of 7.95%.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, you're not going to see strong growth with Gladstone Commercial Corporation, but what shareholders will get in return is a steady monthly income and potential for decent price appreciation. As of this recording, GOOD stock is up 20% year to date and 24% over the last 12 months. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.